Welcome to my channel. Lion and Deer Short Moral Story. The greedy lion. It had been a hot day. A hungry lion was on the loose. He emerged from his den and began searching for food. He simply came across a little hare. With some hesitation, he caught the hare. The hare cannot fill my stomach, the lion reasoned. A deer rushed that way as the lion was going to kill the hare. The lion got greedy. Let me eat the enormous deer, list of the small hare, he thought. He walked behind the deer and let the hare escape. The deer, on the other hand, had fled into the woods. The lion felt had about letting the hare go. Moral of the story: a bird in hand is worth two in the bush. Thank you for watching. Gulu.